Hey guys, over here I have start stop support battery service required error code here. I think it's the aux battery that is drained. So I've been using this aux battery for about maybe 1.5 years, and it is now giving me error. So I will change the aux battery myself. All right, let's do it. Okay, over here I have the original Volvo aux battery. So I tested it over here. That's the result. Shelf of life 100%, state of charge 94. Right, let's take out the old battery and I will test what the result is later. So to remove the battery, you have to remove this cover first. That's a size 8 hex. So it is quite hot, so be careful if you are on a hot engine. So and next you have to remove this tool over here. Okay. So remove the negative first. Want to be careful not to drop the nut. And I'll insert back the new battery. So putting back, you have to put back the positive and then the negative. Right. Okay, so I fixed back the battery. I will not write my date over here because I always keep a record digitally in my phone. I noticed that the cover, let's see, the rubber seal over here is actually melted quite a bit. It's because of the hot engine. Not sure whether it is common for all the Volvo XC90, but I don't think it matters too much as long as water doesn't go in. Not too sure how much is this cost to get it replaced if I want to get a new good seal here. But right, I think doesn't matter. I'll just put back the cover and see how it goes. I've changed the aux battery. The error code is still there. I think it's quite common. I've tried to clear off the error code by the Orbit software, but the error code still came back. What I read or heard is you have to drive a few kilometers and the error code should be able to clear off by itself. I've tested the battery just now. The state of health and the charge is 100%, so there's no issue with the battery. Right, so we drive around and until the error code clears off by itself. So let's now go and test the old battery and see what is the condition like. Right, I've plugged in the old battery to my battery tester. Over here it says state of health 42.8, state of charge 0. There's nothing there. CCA is measured at 115. Actually, is my battery is about 1 year 4 months. I think it's pretty short life span. I'm not too sure whether your aux battery lasts longer than mine. I heard that it should last maybe about 2 or 3 years. 1 year plus is a bit too fast. Not too sure about that. Yep. So let's maybe we just do a test again. Right, almost the same, similar. CCA dropped slightly a bit, but anyway, the state of charge is still 0. Right. Okay. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.